Hi, this is Lydia with Rescue 42. I want to personally invite you to visit our booth at our upcoming trade shows and get hands-on with our equipment at our training events. We'll be at Firehouse World March 6th and 7th at the San Diego Convention Center, Curtis Alley, booth 1635. At FDIC, you'll find us in booth 3666 inside the main Indianapolis Convention Center. We'll have our equipment and staff on hand during the hands-on training sessions preceding the exhibition. This year's Fri Show will be in Dallas, Texas, and you'll find us in booth 3770. We work with some of the best fire rescue equipment dealers in the country and will be attending regional trade shows and trainings with them, including Fire Rescue East in Florida, Virginia Fire Chiefs Show, the Southeastern Extrication School, Ontario Fire Chiefs Show, Smoky Mountain Extrication School, Corona Auto X, and the New England Fire Chiefs shows. For a complete list of shows and trainings, please visit the events page on our website and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for the latest news and announcements. We're looking forward to meeting you in person. Thanks for watching and stay safe.